Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali. In today's video, we'll explain how you can check your Cash App card balance without logging into the Cash App. To check the balance of the Cash App card linked to our Cash App account, we normally need to log into the Cash App and check the balance from there. But are there any options available to check your Cash App card balance without logging in? Yes, friends, such methods are available. Below, we'll share 3 methods that allow you to check your Cash App card balance easily without logging into your Cash App account. So, let's get started. These 3 methods have been taken from the Curbage Loan Guide website. On the right-hand side of this website, you'll find hundreds of articles related to Cash App. One of these articles is titled, How to Check Cash App Card Balance Without Logging In. If you scroll down in this article, it explains the common ways to check the balance of your Cash App card with screenshots included for clarity. Scrolling further, the article states, yes, you can check your Cash App card balance without logging in. The Cash App provides various methods to inquire about your card balance, and some of these methods do not require you to log in to your Cash App account. If you scroll down a bit more, you'll see 3 methods listed to check your Cash App card balance without logging in. Let's go through these methods one by one. First method, ATM balance inquiry. Begin by inserting your Cash App card into the ATM card slot, ensuring it's positioned correctly. The ATM will prompt you to enter the PIN associated with your Cash App card. Input the correct PIN. Following the PIN entry, the ATM will display an option to receive a printed receipt. Opt for yes to obtain a receipt showcasing your available balance. Below, you can see a screenshot demonstrating how the ATM shows the balance of the Cash App card. Scrolling further down in the article, it mentions the ATM processes your request and a printed receipt is generated displaying the current balance on your Cash App card. Simply collect the receipt to access this information. Second method, customer support call. Dial the Cash App card support hotline at 1-800-969-1940. Follow the automated prompts to connect with a customer care executive. Clearly express your need to check the Cash App card balance, providing the necessary information for verification. Once your details are verified, the customer care executive will assist you in retrieving your current balance information. Third method, text message notifications. If you've activated text message notifications for your Cash App transactions, your balance updates will be sent directly to your mobile. Review your latest Cash App notification to find comprehensive details regarding your remaining Cash App card balance. In different situations, different methods will work best. You can choose the method that suits you the most. This way, you can easily check your Cash App card balance without logging into your Cash App account. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have some more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.